Hi Mary, this is a response to your question about the texture of the plasticine. No, it's not really like Play-Doh, and it's not like clay either. It never dries. The only time that it will dry is if you do like I have done here, and you can see with this, which is one of the pages from my Devin Rex Tale book, I've done I've made it shiny and glossy, so it's hard forever because I've put on Sculpty, which is kind of like a lacquer, and it just gives it that shine and keeps it from melting, because sometimes it can get melty when standing like this. See how this is this plant has to be fixed, whereas this one over here, to take the picture, you can just kind of stick them back up, kind of bend the antennas back like this, or his little claw, yeah, things like that. But it's more like a old piece of bubble gum, really, rather than Play-Doh. And you don't have to bake it. Like I said, it stays soft forever. Usually it's hard. See how hard that is? And I use a heating pad to put it on because of my hands with my MS. And I get it real soft so I can do things like this. Like you see, I'm building up the layers now. This will be the background. And you just kind of rub that on like this. Make your designs. And then I'll layer this up. This is going to be a cave for the Yeti, like an ice mountain when I'm finished. I'll just keep layering the white for the snow and the ice, and then I'll put some icicles and stuff with the Yeti coming out. So yeah, that's about the texture. So you can see some of my old pieces here in this drawer. Some are really soft, and some leave, like if you go like this, they leave a color, which is good if you want to kind of, I'll use this for an example because this one, you see, if you just kind of want to spread it like this. Sorry, I'm trying to do it with one hand. To get your background for your grass or whatever, or to stick something else to that. And then of course you'd have to wash your hands, but before you go to your next color. But yeah, these are all my tidbits of leftover. And the regular clay is here. That's this. This does have to go, this does have to be baked, but that I only use for my biblical lamps. The rest of the clay that I use is pretty much like this. The plasticine. It's a form of plastic, actually. Okay, hope this explained it. Thanks, bye.